Today is May 27th. We're going to St. Lucia next month, a little less than a month from now, for Sean's brother's wedding. This is going to be my video of us preparing for that trip. Today is Wednesday. I worked from home today, so just clocked out and we're going to do some things around the house. I'm going to do it in a time lapse, but don't judge my form, okay? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't work out often, so it's not gonna look good. But we'll time lapse it, and it'll probably make it look worse. And Sean's home. So what do you have to do in order to prepare for St. Lucia?
I don't know, I haven't been told anything. Pack the night before. Take one pair of underwear, turn it inside out, upside down. That's all I need to do. And then sleep on a plane for 30 hours, whatever it is.
I'm going to make some soup. For dinner, I cannot use anything that has gluten or dairy, and I cannot use onion or garlic and a lot of other things, but those are the main things for this soup that I have to keep in mind. So it can get kind of hard cooking low FODMAP things. I'm only on this diet for, I don't know, 8 weeks or something, so we're gonna make that now. I am sauteing with avocado oil, butter, and essence of garlic salt seasoning. Although I can't have red onions or just normal white onions, I can have green onions as long as I'm only eating the little leafy part. Once it gets to like the thick white part, I can't eat that. But I'm gonna cut the tops off of this and then also put it in there to saute. Now I'm gonna add in the broth. This is the one I got. This is the brand I wanted. I ordered both chicken and beef. They were out of the chicken. So now I'm stuck with beef. Hopefully it doesn't alter it and make it taste weird, because I am going to use chicken in there, but this is a low FODMAP approved bone broth, because any other broth that you look for in the store, if you're making soup or whatever, it's going to have onion and garlic. So this is the one that I have to get. I've never used it before. It doesn't smell bad, but I'm going to add some herbs. The recipe that I'm reading says to add thyme and rosemary. This herb mix has both of those, and then it has basil and sage. Bruiser, get out. So we're gonna add that. And then we're going to add our chicken. I know this is upside down, but I already cut it, so I can't flip it. But we just got this pack from Costco, I think, because it has a lot of chicken. And it's a good price. Yeah, so I'm going to add that in there with the broth and the vegetables, and then I'm going to set it to pressure cook for 12 minutes. Also, Sean has been working on the backyard. I don't have a before video, but this is what we have. When we first moved here, there was a different wall right there that he knocked down and then put that one up. And then we painted this thing like a year ago. And then this weekend, him and his family put that cement there. My thing is depressured. Don't judge when I cut this. I don't know what I'm doing. actually looks really good. Good job. You're doing really good.
Don't worry, we can rewind.
Okay. This is really good. It is 8:28. I'm going to chillax. Starting out very chaotic. It's Saturday morning, the morning of the Pride Parade. My work is in the Pride Parade for, I think, the first time ever. And so that is where I'm going right now. We were supposed to be there at 7 a.m. It's 7:19 and I still have to pick up Dutch Bros drinks. And it looks pretty cloudy. Like, we were all pretty nervous about it, like, being super hot, and we want to bring dogs, obviously. We want to bring our dogs. And we are kind of preparing for the worst. Like, we are prepared for heat. Anyways, I'm on my way to Dutch Bros. I'm getting drinks for me and Leah. And I will tell you or show you the float and everything in more details because we all got matching shirts and stuff. But obviously, we are in a hurry right now. Okay, we're here and we're putting the float together.
You know, you at least get an A for effort. Okay, Jazzy, I also need you to do something else for me.
Yeah.
I have these now. We have to hang these.
We're on the way. We're trying not to fall off. Woo!
Separated from them.
On a quick stroll to people on the rest of the floats. We're looking at all the floats.
So cute.
Thank you.
Love it.
Oh, that's so cool. They love her. Smile and wave, Betty. Smile and wave. So cute. Yeah. She's running the parade, everybody. So cute. Oh my god, she's so cute. Did you do that? Yeah, yeah. Oh my god. Oh, she is so cute. Thank you.
Is it a baby?
She's like 3.5.
No way, really?
Yeah, she's a mini.
Is it okay if we pet her?
Yeah, she's nice. She won't do anything. She's just gonna sit there. This is her setup. She has a stroller, her fan that does some mist, and then a cooling pad that I poured some water on. It is so bright. It's so hot. It is not the cloudy day that it once was. Okay, the AC is blasting, so I know it's gonna be loud, but I think very first time for us doing the Pride Parade went very well. I was very glad that I got everything I did for Venti because it was freaking hot out there, but she did good. I don't think I saw her panting unless I was holding her, but anytime she was in her stroller, it worked out very well with her fan, mister, her cooling pad, And then every once in a while, we would put some water on her back. She didn't like it, but it helped her. And there she is. She did great. She got so much attention, and so did Mosey. Her and Moses were the stars of the float for sure. We are at Dutch Bros. I got Dutch Bros this morning, I know. It was good, but when we got to work, we started working on the float right away. And then by the time we were drinking our drinks, oh my god, it was so, like, my drink was warm. It was gross. So I have to do Dutch Bros right. So we're here, and I'm gonna take Sean a drink too, because I think he would be happy with that. I don't know how many videos I took of the actual parade, because it was kind of hard pushing the stroller, holding the umbrella, and then like trying to interact and hand out bandanas and everything. Like, I didn't have an extra hand for the camera. So, and her hair, amazing. People loved it. I mean, it looks great. Oh, thank you for the side profile, both sides, beautiful. And now we wait in this really long line for Dutch Bros. Okay, as if this couldn't get any more chaotic, it has. Okay, let me explain. Today's Tuesday, June 16th. We are supposed to get on a flight tomorrow, Wednesday, June 17th, at 11 p.m.-ish. So, we just saw, when I got home, started getting our things together. He asked me for my passport. I saw the date on mine, and out of curiosity, I just wanted to see what his was, what date his was. So I grabbed it and I looked, and it's expired. Honestly, I didn't even know that you needed a passport to go there. And that was probably at 8 p.m. when we noticed that. It is now 10:30. We have since searched the web for what the heck our options are. We live in New Mexico. There is no U.S. passport service, I guess, here. So there's no place that does urgent same-day passports. The closest places are Texas, Colorado, Arizona. So I went on the website to see if we could get an appointment, and it told me that there was no appointments available. And then so Sean decided to go directly to the El Paso website, and he saw an appointment for tomorrow morning at 8 in the morning, so scheduled it right away. And then we went to Walgreens to get his photo taken, to get his passport picture, because you need that. We filled out the special form, then we had to figure out how to print everything. We don't have a printer. His parents' printer's not working, so I texted my sister, who lives close by, to see if she's still awake. I didn't think she was gonna be awake. She said, "I'm awake, send me whatever you need to send me," and I didn't give her any information. I just said, like, who has a printer and is still awake right now? I sent her the form, and I said, "Thank you, we have an emergency. Sean has to drive to El Paso tonight to renew his passport." And then she said, "Oh no, why? Just one copy?" And I said, "Yes, please, just front, no front and back pages." And then she said, "Is everything okay?" With no information, and me asking for a passport and then driving to El Paso, it kind of sounds like we're trying to flee the country or something. But then I gave her more information. We just got back. We drove to her house to pick up all the printed documents because they're very specific. It's 11:30 exactly, and Sean and his dad just left to Texas now. They'll get there at like 3-ish, and I just hope that they get there safe. I think I packed a little bit now. I'm doing laundry, so I can't really pack anymore. After work tomorrow, or even at lunch tomorrow, I can pack more. It's 10:30 a.m., okay? And Sean just texted me that it's ready. What a story. And he's gonna have this date on his passport for the next 10 years. I'll keep you updated, but I have to continue working. You did it. Is it real? She said it's real.
Took a total of 11 hours from submitting everything to when I walked out of the office with it printed. And not only just in 11 hours, in a completely different state.
8:01 p.m.
I don't think this is how you're supposed to take emergency. Or, yeah. I think you take it when you're sick. I take it before I get sick.
It's not bad.
You have water at least?
What would you like the power to do? Oh, not bad.
It's 8:11 p.m. and we're on the road.
Now we could officially jam to our island music because we're actually going.
With the sun